Let's discuss a very simple concept, and what we are discussing now is nothing but exterior angle of a triangle. Now you'll say exterior angle of a triangle, we don't know, don't worry, we'll learn, but we know it is interior angle of a triangle. So let's have a triangle here, and for this triangle, what are the interior angles? You'll say it's very simple, it is angle A, angle B and angle C. They are the interior angles. Now we are going to learn about exterior angle. What do we mean by an exterior angle? You will say exterior angle means an angle which is outside. Now that is the English meaning. We are talking about the geometrical meaning, the mathematical meaning. It has to be exterior, means it has to be outside, but not the literal meaning of exterior, right? What is that? Mathematical. Let's understand. So for that exterior angle, what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend this any one side. Let's say I'm going to extend BC to the right here. Now, do we get an angle here? Yes, observe, we get an angle, that is angle ACM. Now this angle is said to be an exterior angle. So what is an exterior angle? It's an angle, this angle if you see, is it forming a linear pair with angle ACB? And what is ACB? It is an interior angle. So an angle which forms a linear pair with an interior angle of a triangle is said to be an exterior angle. It's that easy. Any angle which forms a linear pair with an interior angle of a triangle is said to be an exterior angle. And that's nothing but the definition. Whatever we understood, if we know English, we can form the definition. So we can write now, an angle which forms a linear pair with an interior angle of a triangle is said to be an exterior angle of a triangle. Now my question is, we extended BC and we got an exterior angle at vertex C. At that same vertex, can we get one more exterior angle by extending any other side? Yes, if you observe, we can extend AC and now look at this angle BCN and tell me, is that forming a linear pair with an interior angle? Yes, that means angle BCN is also an exterior angle. That means right now we saw at this vertex there are two exterior angles. Beautiful. I have one more question. Think and answer. Angle MCN, is that an exterior angle? Say. Yes, no? Because it is outside? No. But is it forming a linear pair with the interior angle? No, it is actually vertically opposite to the interior angle. So that's not an exterior angle. Remember that. So at vertex C we got 2. Now at vertex B can we form an exterior angle? Yes, we extended AB. Now that angle CBP, is that an exterior angle? Yes, because it forms a linear pair with angle ABC. Can we get one more? Yes, you're very correct. Extend that BC and that angle which you see there, angle ABQ is an exterior angle. My question is angle QBP an exterior angle? No. What is that? It's a vertically opposite angle to that interior angle, right? Now let's see the next one. At A, can we have an exterior angle? Yes, you can see that angle is BAR. Can we have one more? Yes, we have one more, and that is nothing but angle CAS. So that means you can see for a triangle, how many exterior angles do we have? For every triangle, we have 6 exterior angles. And there's one more question which I have. At every vertex, how many exterior angles do we have? At every vertex, we have 2 exterior angles. Remember that. So now we know what is an exterior angle, right? Beautiful. Let's learn something more. Let me give you a figure here and ask you certain things to be filled up. It's very easy, very, very simple. Because you have understood what are exterior angles, you can answer this. One is name of the interior angle of a triangle. We'll say that's very easy. Corresponding exterior angle. For that interior angle, which are the exterior angles, we need to write that. And the third column is nothing but vertically opposite angles to the interior angle. Now let's understand. This is very easy. First, name of the interior angle of any one. Let's say 1. We consider this L. Let's name it with 3 letters. So we can write it as angle KLM. That's the interior angle. What are the corresponding exterior angles for this vertex, for this angle? It's very simple. One is angle MLE. There is one more, that is angle KLD. Those are the 2 exterior angles. We wrote that. Then they are asking vertically opposite angles for this interior angle. For this interior angle, which one is the vertically opposite angle? It is angle DLE. It's so easy to answer. Very easy, right? Now let's take the other interior angle. Let's consider M. That means we name it with 3 letters, angle KML. Beautiful. For this, let's name the two exterior angles. Which one? Angle KMC, and the other one is angle LMB. Beautiful. The next one, vertically opposite to this. Which one is that? It is angle CMB. Beautiful. We got that. Let's write the next one. Right? We take the interior angle at K. That means which one? LKM. For this, which are the two exterior angles? One is angle K. AKL, the other one is angle FKM. Beautiful, we got that. Now name the vertically opposite to that. It's nothing but angle AKF, and we got this. Was that easy? It's too easy. So now we have understood what is an exterior angle, right? So we learned for an exterior angle, it is nothing but it is an angle which forms a linear pair with an interior angle of a triangle. And for every triangle there can be 6 exterior angles, and at every vertex we can have 2 exterior angles. Isn't that easy? Let's discuss something very interesting, and what we are discussing right now is nothing but remote interior angles of a triangle. Now, we know interior angles of a triangle, right? Let's consider that. First, we have a triangle ABC, and we know here angle A, angle B, and angle C. What are they? They are interior angles of a triangle. And what is this angle ACM? This angle ACM is nothing but it's an exterior angle. Why? Because it forms a linear pair with an interior angle of a triangle. This is something which we know, right? Now, whenever there is an exterior angle, my dear child, understand, there is an angle which is adjacent to it, right, with which it is forming a linear pair. Now, that's an interior angle and it is adjacent to it. So, we can call it as adjacent interior. But you will say here, we are talking about remote interior. So, remote interior means, remote interior angles means interior angles. But this interior angle is adjacent interior. And remote interior means, remote means far away. That is the meaning of remote in English. So when we say remote interior angles, means angles which are far away from the exterior angle. Beautiful. So angle A and angle B, they are called as remote interior angles. That means whenever we have an exterior angle of a triangle, we'll always have 2 remote interior angles with respect to that. Remember that. Now when we say remote interior angles, means interior angles which are far away from that exterior angle. So now that was so easy. So with respect to this exterior angle, you have 2. Which one? Angle A and angle B. They are remote interior angles. And angle C, that is, what is that? It is nothing but adjacent interior, right? Now that's interesting. So now we know for an exterior angle there are 2 remote interior angles, right? Now I'll give you certain exterior angles. Right now we have one, that is angle ACM. For that the remote interior angles are nothing but angle A and angle B. Okay, I'll give you another one. Observe very carefully and tell me what's the name of that exterior angle now? Angle BAR. For that, which are the 2 remote interior angles? Angle B and angle C. Beautiful, you got it. Let me give you another one, another exterior angle. What's the name of that? It is angle CBP. For that, which are the 2 remote interior angles? They are nothing but angle A and angle C. Beautiful. So we understood this. Let me give you one more example for this, and it is going to be very exciting. Let's understand this. Remember one thing, very important, what we discussed right now is, for every exterior angle, there are going to be 2 remote interior angles. Let's see this example. This is going to be very interesting. I want you to focus on this. Right? What I'm going to do is, we are going to have 2 things. Exterior angle, I'll give you the exterior angle. You have to tell me the remote interior angle for that. Observe the first one, which I've given you right now. What is the name of that exterior angle? ZXE. So that's the exterior angle. Which are the 2 remote interior angles? You'll say, which are they? Angle Z and angle Y. Don't name it with single letter here, because at Z there are multiple angles here. So name it with 3 letters. What's the name of this? Angle X, Z, Y. What's the name of this? Angle X, Y, Z. That's what you got. Beautiful. Let me give you another one, another exterior angle. Observe. Which one? What's the name? Angle Y, X, C. Beautiful. For this, which are the 2 remote interior angles? You will say angle Z and angle Y. No, write it with 3 letters. So what is this? Angle X, Z, Y, and angle X, Y, Z. Beautiful. We got that. Let me give you another one. The other one which I'm giving you right now is nothing but angle Z, Y, F, right? For that, which are the 2 remote interior angles? You'll say it's so easy. It is angle Z and angle X. 3 letters. So we write it as angle XZY and angle ZXY. We wrote that. Same way, I'll give you another one. Observe which one? Angle XYB. Which are the two remote angles? You will say the same. It is nothing but angle XZY and angle ZXY. Beautiful. Very easy. Let me give another one. Which one? Angle AZX. For that, which are the two remote angles? You will say so easy. Angle ZXY and angle ZYX. Beautiful. Let me give you another one. There's only one left. Which one? Angle DZY. For that, which are the two remote angles? They are nothing but angle ZXY and angle ZYX. Beautiful. We got that. So now, my dear child, we know for every exterior angle, there are two remote angles, and we have learned to identify that. Now, once we know what is an exterior angle, and we know how to identify the two remote angles, let me tell you one thing. We are going to learn something very interesting. There's a relation between the measure of an exterior angle and the measures of the two remote interior angles. And this relation is given to us by a theorem. And the name of that theorem is Theorem of Remote Interior Angles. Now, what does this theorem say? This theorem gives you a very simple thing. Every theorem has a statement. So this theorem also has a statement. And the statement says that the measure of an exterior angle is equal to sum of the measures of its remote interior angles. I repeat, look at the statement. It says the measure of an exterior angle is equal to sum of the measures of its remote interior angles. That's very easy, very simple. Let me explain you that with the help of a figure. You have a triangle here. We require an exterior angle. Let's take an exterior angle. What's the name of that exterior angle? ACD. So you said, yes, this is an exterior angle. As I said, there is a relation between the measure of an exterior angle and the two remote interior angles. Now, if this is the exterior angle, which are the two remote interior angles? You will say it's so easy, angle A and angle B. Beautiful. Now, what happens is, the statement says that the measure of this exterior angle is equal to sum of the two remote interior angles here. That means it says angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. We can actually verify it. Observe this very carefully. Observe. If I'm just picking it up and see. Wow. What do we see? Let's confirm it again. If you say one is A, the other one is B, what you're saying is that blue is A and this is B. Beautiful. That means what you're getting is this exterior angle, the measure of this, is equal to the addition of this two remote interior angle. That means as per the figure, we can say angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. And that's nothing but, this theorem is called as Theorem of Remote Interior Angle of a triangle, right? So when are we going to use this theorem? For any triangle, whenever there's an exterior angle, right? We can use this theorem because that says that an exterior angle's measure is equal to sum of the two remote interior angles. We can write this, and when we write that, one way, when we present it, it's very important. First, we should write the name of the exterior angle. So we should write angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. And then we write on the next line, therefore angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. And into bracket, we should write the reason as Theorem of Remote Interior Angles of a triangle. Or we can just say Remote Interior Angle Theorem. It's one and the same. Was that easy? Very easy. We can get numerical sums based on this. They will give us a measure of an exterior angle. They'll give you one remote interior angle. Find the next. Or they will give us the measure of two remote interior angles and ask us to find the measure of the exterior angle. Can we find it? It's so simple. Remember the theorem. It is Theorem of Remote Interior Angles of a triangle. Isn't that easy? Beautiful, right?
And yes, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon.